Hey guys, Justin here of YugaTech, and as we know, the Y series is Vivo's take on the affordable segment of smartphones. And recently, the company launched its latest addition to the lineup, which is this Vivo Y20i. Today we're checking it out, but first, let's see what's inside the box. So once we lift up the lid, we'll find a little box containing the SIM ejector tool, manuals, and a protective jelly case. Then we have the phone itself. Let's unwrap it from its plastic. Ooh, shiny. Let's set that aside for now. Underneath that, we have the micro USB cable and the charging adapter. That's pretty much it. You could pretty much tell that the Y20i is a head turner. Although it has a polycarbonate body, it still looks and feels premium. It's got this glossy back and it creates this ray-like design when you move the device in different direction, which is a pretty nice touch. Our unit comes in nebula blue, but it also comes in a dawn white variant. We'll also find its vertically stacked triple rear cameras and the Vivo branding here at the back. Up front, we have the 6.51-inch Halo full view display, as well as the notch that houses the front camera and the call speaker. On the right side, we'll find the power button that also acts as a fingerprint scanner. Honestly, we like this placement as it is convenient to unlock your phone. Meanwhile, the left side houses the dual SIM card and a micro SD card slot that's expandable up to 256GB. Nothing can be found up top, while at the bottom we have the dated micro USB port, the 3.5mm audio port, speaker grill, and the primary microphone. As we've mentioned earlier, the Vivo Y20i sports a 6.51-inch IPS HD Plus Halo full view display. So far, this display is good and would suffice for casual use, as you would expect from a smartphone at this caliber. Talk about cameras, we have a triple camera setup consisting of a 13-megapixel wide, a 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth. Meanwhile, for selfies, we have an 8-megapixel shooter. Take a look at our first few sample photos. For internals, the Vivo Y20i is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 paired with an Adreno 610 GPU, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of internal storage. Performance so far is pretty decent. It also runs on the latest FunTouch OS 10.5 that's based on Android 10. A massive 5000 mAh battery powers up this device, coupled with 18 watts fast charging support. To be fair, the Vivo Y20i is a pretty decent daily driver for 7,490 pesos. But at this price point, some devices have beefed up specs like the Realme 6i and the Redmi Note 9 to name a few. But hold your horses, we'll find out more about this device in our full review soon. Now, how about you? What are your thoughts on this Vivo Y20i? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.